Hey fam, yes, I'm still in Africa. Can you believe it? At this point, it's time for me coming home to my family. But I wanted to let you know what the next few videos were going to be about. I specifically pulled these videos and these pictures and wanted to make them separate because this is all about the, I got to be careful on Meta with the words I use, but about what happened in Rwanda in 1994. All of this is about that. And we were able to go to what is called Reconciliation Village, where people who were victims and people who were perpetrators lived together, raised their children together, go to school together, particularly a pastor and the perpetrator who committed the acts against his entire family. All of that is coming up. Plus, we went to the Genocide Museum. And so all of that is coming up next. I wanted to kind of prepare your hearts. I'd love for you to DM me and tell me your thoughts. See her on the list. It was long, but I didn't see her on the list.
Was very enemy because the genocide. Nagira ngo babwire ko ufite sorry. Nagira ngo babwire ko dufite imana ihindura amateka.
We want to tell you that we have a God that changes times.
And
the Lord of yesterday is the Lord of today.
Come on.
And God is not just history. What he did before, he did not stop doing it.
Yeah.
The world today may not accept that.
But I want
to tell you that he still works the way he used to work. Matthias there, you see, killed my family members. It was not easy to come back to meet with him. It was very, it's not just words and stories. In 1994, we were mad people. He says that please continue to pray for me so that I could make it to heaven. The first cup of milk that I started to drink was from his family. But because of greed, I went and killed the cows that gave us the milk, destroyed his houses and killed his family members. He's just lucky that he escaped and went through the forest towards Burundi, and he's alive now. I thought I had finished them. So the people who lied to us and put ideologies of differentiating us with our ears and noses in the first government, they let this happen and then they went away. But when the patriotic army came to rescue the country, they arrested me and took me to jail. When I was in jail, I was shocked to see Gahiji coming to prison to see me. I started hiding myself in prison. And then the next time he kept coming, that's when I accepted to see him. All about reconciliation and the local courts, he's the one who taught us. Yes, the Gachacha court. It's a grassroots system of justice. So for us in prison, we didn't believe that. We thought it was a trick from the Western countries so that we confess and then they know us and kill us. So we resisted that gospel.
Ngiye kumva numva iteka rya Perezida wa Repubulika ava ngo uwishe agasaba imbabazi ku mugaragaro niba mufunguye atake ariko twatuzuka ni ari amayiri y'inkotanyi.
But we heard from the president's mouth saying that whoever killed somebody and can come out and confess and show where they hid the body, they can be forgiven. But still, we thought that was just a trick to get us out from our hiding, to confess so that we can get killed.
Bumva ubugome bwanjye rero ko nari umugome ngiye gisenyera abatutsi ngiye ngo ndasenya n'inka nzizana izagayinda zisenye ngiye iwanjye bafungwe nanjye sanga iwanjye harafungutse haraguye hasi.
So look at the dilemma. When I was breaking people things and destroying their cattle, destroying their houses, also my stuff was not safe. When I went back home, I found my house was destroyed, everything stolen. But this guy followed me and taught me unity and reconciliation. For me, I kept thinking, no, this is a trick question, a trick that they cannot forgive somebody who killed another.
Ubu amashuna yacu hari mu mudugudu twahaberekani iwacu abagore bacu ngabaho bicaye nta muhutu nta mututsi abana bacu birigaho rwose tubaye neza barirwa baboha ke barakabereka nta kibazo dufite babyeyi mugiye kutsabira Imana imbabazi.
So he says that right now things have changed. Now we have beautiful women like these, and they are always busy making baskets. We have schools around us. We have a church. Always pray for us so that we continue to prosper.
Amen.
No problem.
They're okay with the dollar. Nta kibazo we humura icyo kibazo baragikemuye.